If you're looking for a convenient way to mount the front license plate onto your Jeep Wrangler, today we're going to be checking out the Smittybilt Roller Fairlead license plate mount. It's going to fit any vehicle equipped with a Roller Fairlead and get that license plate up in the front if you have a winch equipped on your vehicle. Now this is constructed out of 1/8 inch plate steel, features everything that you need including nut certs with Allen key bolts to mount your plate. And I know this can be a necessity if you have a state that requires a front license plate on your vehicle, or you've got a vanity plate or a beach pass or something like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to put the plate on here and how to clip it onto the front end of our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Alright guys, so we've got our CJ off-road plate right on the front here. This would be where you put your front license plate, your vanity plate, whatever you want. Now I'm going to use the included Allen key bolts. Just get them started. One goes on each corner. Last step is simply to clip it onto our Roller Fairlead. And that's it. Check it out guys, our license plate holder is fully installed. It literally just clips on there so you can easily remove it when you need to use your winch. This is going to be great if your state requires you with a license plate or you're looking to put a vanity plate on there. And as you saw, it is really secure. It's adjustable too, so if you've got a little bit of a bigger or smaller Fairlead opening, you can move those simply by using a Phillips head screwdriver. It takes about 5 minutes to get it installed, and you can find it right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.